How to factory reset your Chromecast device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you could very easily factory reset your Chromecast. Now you can see basically in my case as well, my Chromecast TV is actually linked with my phone right over here. You can see the wallpapers are changing according to it. Now the first thing you want to understand is that you have to actually press a small button on the back of your Chromecast device. So let me go ahead and show you by actually turning this TV right around. So right over here you can see that my Chromecast is actually connected to my TV, and the first thing you want to make sure is that while your Chromecast is connected, you'll be able to see a small button on the back of your Chromecast device. So let me just go ahead and show you again. So you'd basically be able to see this kind of button. You can see on your Chromecast, the small button is actually not really visible, but you have to look carefully and search for it. Make sure that you don't plug out the cables yet, and while you're on that, you have to simply press and hold this button which you see until you see a small blink and a light on your TV screen. So we're going to press and hold it over here. And as you can see, it says now our Google Chromecast is actually factory resetting itself. Let's see what it says us again. As you do that, you can see that our Chromecast is actually beginning from the start, and we have to actually set it up again from our phone. And this is the way on how you could very easily actually reset your Google Chromecast. You cannot reset it through the app. You can see now it says us to get the app again, which means we have successfully reset it. All you have to do is press that small button on the back of your Chromecast device. We hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.